Hello kids. Do you know what makes plants happy? Fills puddles with splashy fun and gives us that fresh smell in the air? It's rain. Rain is like nature's way of giving the earth a big, wet hug. Have you ever wondered where rain comes from, or why it sometimes disappears before it hits the ground? Imagine raindrops as little adventurers traveling from the clouds to the earth. Sometimes they're shaped like tiny balls, and other times they flatten out like pancakes. Isn't that funny? Rain is not just water falling from the sky. It's part of an amazing journey called the water cycle, where water travels all around the world. You might not realize it, but the rain that falls on your head might have traveled across oceans, or even been part of a dinosaur's drink millions of years ago. We're going to explore some cool and quirky facts about rain that might surprise you, and maybe even make you love those rainy days a little more. So, put on your rain boots, grab your umbrella, and let's splash into the wonderful world of rain. Are you ready to learn more about this incredible weather wizard? Let's go. First one, rain is recycled water. The water that falls as rain today has been part of the Earth's water cycle for millions of years. Water evaporates from oceans, lakes, and rivers, forms clouds in the atmosphere, and eventually falls back to Earth as precipitation. This cycle continuously recycles water, making rain an essential part of maintaining the Earth's ecosystem. On second, we had raindrop shapes. Contrary to the common teardrop shape often depicted, raindrops are actually spherical or slightly flattened at the bottom due to air resistance as they fall. Small raindrops are perfectly round, while larger ones can look like hamburger buns. Next on list was record-breaking rainfalls. The record for the most rain in a 24-hour period is held by Phok Phok on La Réunion Island in the Indian Ocean, where 71.8 inches, 1,825 millimeters of rain fell on January 7-8, 1966. This small volcanic island experiences intense tropical cyclones that contribute to its high rainfall. Here's one more: rain's impact on temperature. Rain can significantly influence local temperatures. When rain falls, it cools the air as the water evaporates, a process known as evaporative cooling. This can lead to a noticeable drop in temperature, making rainy days cooler than dry days in the same region. Last but not least is phantom rain. Sometimes rain doesn't reach the ground, phenomenon known as virga. This occurs when rain droplets evaporate in dry air before hitting the surface. Virga is commonly seen in desert areas where humidity is low, and it appears as streaks of precipitation descending from clouds, but vanishing before reaching the ground. Hey kids! Rain is amazing and helps our world in so many ways, from filling rivers to making flowers grow. But did you know that if we don't take care of our nature, rain can also cause big problems? Without healthy forests and clean rivers, rain can lead to floods that make it hard for people and animals. We need to protect our environment to keep rain doing its job safely and happily. But don't worry, rain can also be fun. Think of the pitter-patter on your roof as nature's own music. So let's dance and play in the rain, enjoying its beautiful sounds. So remember, let's be rain's best friend by protecting nature and making the most of its rainy day music. Now, let's dance and splash in the rain.
Rain falls on the ground, and every drop, sound. Umbrellas bloom, kids at play, clouds dance, skies of gray. Nature drinks life anew, rain whispers secrets to you.
Thank you for watching. Hey there, awesome viewers. Thanks a bunch for tuning into our video today. We hope you enjoyed learning about rain and its amazing role in our world. Your support means so much to us, and we love sharing fun and interesting facts with you. If you had a blast, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more exciting videos, and hit the bell so you never miss out on our latest adventures. Got questions or ideas for future videos? Drop them in the comments, we'd love to hear from you. Stay curious and keep exploring. Until next time, keep dancing in the rain and enjoying the beautiful music of nature. At you later.